Yo, what's going on everyone? Welcome back to another epic video that's going to change your life. Today, we're diving into a topic that's hotter than lava, and trust me, you're going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about how to make money with Fiverr affiliate marketing. That's right, Fiverr, the platform you thought was just for freelancers, can actually make you richer than you ever dreamed. So let's get into it. First up, you've got to understand what Fiverr affiliate marketing is all about. Picture this. You're the middleman between Fiverr and the sea of people looking to hire freelancers. Every time someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you get paid. And we're not talking about chump change. We're talking about commissions that can go up to $150 per sale. That's like finding a treasure chest in your backyard. Now, let's talk strategy. You can't just throw your affiliate link into the wind and hope for the best. You've got to be smart. Start by identifying your target audience. Are they business owners, graphic designers? Find out what they need and serve it to them on a silver platter. Create content that solves problems and include it into your Fiverr affiliate link. It's like fishing, but instead of catching fish, you're catching cold, hard cash. Alright, let's kick it up a notch. You've got your link, you've got your audience, now it's time to go nuclear. Use your social media to amplify your reach. Tweet it, snap it, TikTok it, get that link in front of as many eyeballs as possible. And don't forget about email marketing. It's like the secret sauce that makes everything better. Send out weekly newsletters packed with value and sprinkle them in your affiliate link like it's fairy dust. But wait, there's more. You can even create a YouTube channel dedicated to helping people find the best Fiverr gigs. Imagine making a video like Top 10 Fiverr Gigs for Graphic Designers. And every time somebody books a gig from your video, you get a commission. It's like hitting a home run without even stepping up to the plate. Now, I know what you're thinking. Is this too good to be true? And the answer is no. People are doing this right now and they're making bank. So why not you? The sky's the limit, and your potential earnings are only capped by your imagination and effort. So there you have it, the ultimate guide to making money with Fiverr affiliate marketing. If this video blew your mind and you're ready to start raking in the dough, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss another life-changing video. Until next time, keep grinding and stay legendary.